dami sumunod sa'yo, ha?
I love it. I feel so appreciated. I'm so ready for this.
Yesterday in the review, moving on to the brand.
Best actress.
Oh my God! Magkakaroon tayo ng best of the best! Because we are Team Bida!
May best ka pa ng view.
Chasing the sunlight, hold on, yeah, it's a wild ride, won't stop, now this is our time. The best is yet to come, let's go, soak up the sun rays, smile on, yeah, it's a new day, can't stop, life is what we make.
Freaking basta.
Nagpapasalamat ko sa ating bawat sa labas ng mga strong sa iyo. Kami po ako sa nagpapasalamat sa iyo. Kaya po talaga naging inspiration lang. Salamat po sa iyo.
Feel the rush of the good life, riptide. Oh, you never felt more alive. Out our own path.
No words can describe kung gaano kami kasaya ngayon sa pagtanggap ninyo. Kasi making volunteer po kayo para supportahan ang knowledge kami. Kaya masaya kami na nai-inspire namin kayo. The same way kung paano kami ito nai-inspire sa ibang at sa araw. Again, thank you so much to you, our directors, our staff, to actors, sa lahat na bumubuo ng What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Maraming salamat.
We make the best is yet to come.